Being a content creator can be very rewarding and is full of fun. But we are not just vloggers na gagawa ka lang ng funny videos, ayun na. It takes a lot to create a real content that you'll be proud of when time comes. Normally, before I start creating content, I have to condition myself. I have to make sure that I am mentally and physically ready para makagawa ko ng video that I will be proud of. I start my day drinking coffee. And not just coffee, I drink Glutaslim. Glutaslim has health boosters that I need to make sure that I can function and think right. It intensifies my immune system because of its vitamins and minerals from barley grass, turmeric, moringa, ampalaya, and mangosteen. We all know that these are known power foods. Because of my presence on social media, a lot of people consider me as an influencer. And being an influencer, I have to keep my skin bright and young looking. With Glutaslim, I get all these because of the glutathione and collagen. Plus, it has antioxidants that keeps our internal organs healthy. In my almost a week of drinking Glutaslim, one thing that is very apparent, my going to the restroom has become on a regular basis, and I lost inches around the waist. My normal routine before I start creating videos, I make sure that I free my mind of anything. I would do something relaxing like potpourri. Do not throw those dry wilted flowers away. Just simply cut the twigs into smaller sizes and place it in your favorite potpourri container. Doing something that is relaxing can make you think and activates the creative juice. It gives me the passion and the boost of energy to do my regular job, and I can still do what I love doing, creating contents. I also get more active and perky kaya it helps a lot when I am promoting certain brands who send me products for collaborations. With all the products that are being sent to me, normally my brain gets exhausted. It is very tiring sa totoo lang. That is why I really need something that nourishes not just the body, but the brain as well. Glutaslim gave me all the energy I need to start and end the day right. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe only when you want to be healthy and creative.